without having the cloth being discolored or faded. So thank you guys. As we can all see, we're waiting for the thing to fade, but it's not happening. Compared to the first one, you can see it's faded. This is not faded, so that means we can still use bleach and have our cloth the same color it is. Thank you very much. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and let's make things possible. Let's make some dreams come true. Thanks very much. Bye.